Hello student of standard 6. So welcome in our new session of ASIS. Here is our workbook and today we are start chapter 14 social and political life unit in diversity. Here is the MCQ. So due to what has India become a subcontinent? Diversity. See, which religion do the people of Punjab follow? It's a Punjab के लोग क्या follow करते हैं? Sikhism. Which language do the people of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana speak? Telugu. Which language do the people of Karnataka speak? कर्नाटका के लोग क्या बोलते हैं? कन्नड़ा. Which of the famous dance of उत्तर प्रदेश? उत्तर प्रदेश का famous dance है कथक. Which of the famous dance of Kerala? It's a कथकली. Which of the famous dance of Tamil Nadu? It's a Bharatnatyam. Which of the famous dance of Assam? It's a Bihu. Ghumar is a well-known dance of the people of which state? राजस्थान के लोगों का घूमर है. Who said if we want to survive as a nation we must expect the need of national unity? So Dr. Radhakrishnan. By which reason right of constitutional of independence India has untouchability been abolished? It's a equality. Equality के लिए इसको हटाया गया. Fill in the blanks. People of Maharashtra mostly speak Marathi language. People of Punjab are known as for Bhangra dance. People celebrating Mahavir Jayanti follow Jain religion. Ras Garba of Gujarat state is famous in India. Parsis celebrate the festival of Pateti. The people of Punjab celebrate the festival of Baisakhi. Holi is the main festival of people in Uttar Pradesh. Ghumar is the famous dance of the people of Rajasthan. Lavani is the famous dance of Maharashtra. Unit of diversity is a unique feature of our country. India made the feeling of Vasudhaiv Kutumbakam true in the world. In terms of religion, India is a secular country. People of India live life with feeling of cooperation. In our country, girls become victim of evil custom due to lower literacy rate. But the boys give preference in society, so girl become victim of female foeticide. Now true or false, in the post-independent year discrimination gradually decreasing. No, it's increasing. So it's a wrong. ये बाद में decrease हुई है after independence. Our country is made up of cities. No, our country is made up of village. So it's a our country is made up of village. So it's wrong. Some states are not reserved in election. No, actually some states are reserved for the election. So it's wrong. All religions are given equal importance in our country. Yes, it's a true. Konkani language is a language of Maharashtra. Konkani language is a language of Maharashtra. No, Marathi is a Maharashtra. In Gujarat, the festival of Onam is celebrated with a great pomp. No, Onam Maharashtra गुजरात में नहीं होता है. कथक डांस इज अ फेमस डांस ऑफ तमिलनाडु. तमिलनाडु का कथक डांस नहीं है. तमिलनाडु भरतनाट्यम है ना. Bharatnatyam is a famous dance of Kerala. It's wrong. It's for Tamil Nadu. In the national anthem composed by Avindranath Tagore, Indian Unity Express. It's not Avindranath Tagore. So it's wrong. Diversity is unity in an important feature of Indian culture. Yes, it's true. Even today, difference based on caste are seen in Indian society. Yes, it's true. The right to free and compulsory education has started to provide opportunity for secondary education. It's not secondary, it's for primary education. So it's a wrong. Now here is the matching. Punjabis, Punjab. Oriya, Odisha. Gujaratis, Gujarat. And Tamil, Tamil Nadu. One का 5, second का 4, third का 2 and 4 का 1. Now here. इस्लाम के लिए मुस्लिम्स. सिखिज्म के लिए क्या आएगा हमारा? पंजाबी या सिख. जोरिस्तान के लिए पारसी. एंड हिंदुज्म इज हिंदू. सो फर्स्ट थर्ड, सेकंड फिफ्थ, थर्ड 1 एंड 4 सेकंड. गणेश चतुर्थी इन महाराष्ट्र. आषाढ़ी दौज इज इन ओडिशा. ओनम केरला. बैसाखी इन पंजाब. Okay, so first का second, second का 4, third का 5th and 4 का 3rd. Now, which language are spoken in our country? Language like Hindi, English, Gujarati, Bengali, Marathi, Punjabi, Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, Malayalam, Oriya, Konkani, etc. are spoken in our country. Which religion do people follow in our country? The people of our country follow religion like Hinduism, Islam, Christianity, Sikhism, Jainism, Buddhism, Zoroastrians, Judaism, etc. What is the unique feature of Indian culture? The unique feature of Indian culture is unity in diversity. What has Dr. Radhakrishnan said about national unity? Dr. Radhakrishnan has said about national unity that if we want to survive as a nation, we must accept the need of national unity. How did our country meant so national unity during freedom movement? So during freedom movement, the country meant so national unity through the feeling of patriotism and self-sacrifice. Why has India been able to create a unique culture? So since Indians are united though there are many diversities, our country has been able to create a unique culture. Which principle has India followed in the world? So India has followed the principle of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. The whole world is family in the world. What does India spread in the matter of religion in the world? So India spread the feeling of religion, tolerance and equality in the world. With what spirit do the people of India live their lives? So the people of India live their life with a spirit of coexistence. Which discrimination are seen in our country? Discrimination between rich, poor, male, female, literate, illiterate, urban, rural and caste discrimination etc. are seen in our country. So how has untouchability been in the dictate from India? So the Constitution of Independence India has given the right to equality to all citizens. As a result, untouchability has been dictated from India. Okay, so यहाँ तक आपको कर देना है किसमें, होमवर्क, वर्कबुक एंड नोटबुक में. ओके, आपको ये दोनों वर्कबुक एंड नोटबुक में लिखना है. वी विल मेट अगेन नेक्स्ट सेशन. टिल देन, थैंक यू वेरी मच.